What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be talking about Ford Performance's Bullitt Mach 1 or Terminator Cobra style pedals, as well as I'm going to be installing a set into this 2003 Mustang GT. These particular style pedals first debuted in 2001 and were standard equipment in the Mustang Bullitt. Ford carried this style over and even offered this same design in the 2003 and 2004 Mach 1 and the 2003 and 2004 Cobras. Over the years, this particular design has been a popular upgrade for all 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. Since it was standard equipment in top-level trim Mustangs, this pedal kit is a direct upgrade for all manually equipped 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. The dead pedal and the gas pedal are molded from plastic and incorporate a stylish brushed aluminum face. The clutch and brake pedal pads are molded from durable urethane and also incorporate the same brushed aluminum face. Urethane is used for these particular pads because of its higher grip properties. Installing these pedals into your car is relatively easy. Yes, the accelerator pedal needs to come out for a proper install. Also, the clutch and brake pedal pads can be placed in boiling water for a few minutes so that they become pliable and install with relative ease. Now, of course, have a little bit of common sense and know that the metal will be warm to the touch, so don't burn yourself when you pull them out of the boiling water.
To begin the install, locate the throttle cable clip at the top of the accelerator pedal. Carefully unclip it with a small flathead screwdriver. Position it away from the pedal arm. Loosen and remove the two 13mm nuts, securing the pedal assembly to the firewall. Remove the pedal assembly from the car. Position the head of the dowel into a deep socket. Carefully drive the dowel out of the pedal with a small drift and hammer. Install the new pedal onto the arm and position the dowel in the factory orientation. Fully seat the dowel with a pair of channel locks. Reinstall the accelerator pedal back into the car and reinsert the throttle cable clip. Remove the old brake and clutch pedal pads if they're still in place. Place one of the new pedal pads into a pot of boiling water for just a few minutes. Remove the pedal with a pair of tongs and allow it to briefly cool. Install the pad onto the pedal. A small flathead may be needed to pry the lip of the pad over the mounting surface. Repeat these steps for the other pedal pad. Pry off the dead pedal with the flathead or push pin removal tool. Make note of the correct orientation and then fully seat the new dead pedal. A dead blow may be needed to fully seat the plastic clips. Double check your work and then you're all finished.
Wrapping things up here guys, this install, it's pretty easy. Yeah, you're working in a confined area, but you still have adequate work room to get the job done. Again, these Ford Performance pedals are a great upgrade for all 1994 to 2004 manually equipped Mustangs. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.